How to earn money from surveys. Make money online. Earning money online from surveys has often been associated with the prospect of pocket change rather than a substantial income. And this is particularly true for popular platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars, which pay comparatively low rates for quick surveys. But what if I told you that there are websites out there where you can earn much more, as much as $10 per survey or even $100 in a day? Intrigued? Well, let's delve into at least 10, could be 12 because I'm going to have a bonus at the end, websites that could potentially offer you a lot more for your surveys. Welcome back and thank you for joining us for this informative session. This is Profitability Plus, your go-to source for maximizing your online earnings. Now, the first website on our Maven list is Maven. And I'm going to pop up the pages here so that you can see the correct name and do a quick Google search. That said, back to what I was saying. Maven is the first website on our list that you can make upwards of $10 per survey. Maven acts as a micro-consulting platform providing surveys mainly related to finance and technology. If your expertise lies in either finance or technology, this may be the ideal place for you to earn extra money doing surveys. They pay via PayPal or direct deposit. Now, the typical month has about 720 hours. That's 24 hours multiplied by 30. And typically we work about 40 hours per week. So, that works out to be about 172 of the 700 hours that we're working. Well, if you do surveys for about 50 hours and you have surveys coming in, you'll be able to, with Maven, make about $1,000 per month. Now, Recruit and Field is the next platform that will allow you to make at least $10 per survey. This site actually specializes in in-depth studies or research or tasks that are available online. And here's the great thing, if you do a particular task or study or service well, you will likely get called back for additional work. And the more you do great work, the more opportunities you'll have to earn, and you'll be able to also capitalize on higher paid surveys. The payment method is PayPal and gift cards. And to make $1,000 in a month, as an example, it's going to take you about 50 hours as well to get through 100 surveys at $10. Now, the next website that will pay you at least $10 per survey is beta testing. And here you get to test new software and get paid for doing it. How exciting! It's really a win-win for the tech enthusiasts among us. You get paid via PayPal and of course, you complete 100 surveys in a month to make $1,000. And it's going to take similarly about 50 hours because most of the surveys on average will take you about 30 minutes. Now, with this next platform, you get paid to test websites and give feedbacks. Another cool way to make money through surveys. It's called IntelliZoom Panel, and you're going to get paid via PayPal. The surveys that are for $10 will take about 30 minutes, so again, you can do about 50 surveys to make $1,000 in a month. Tester Work. The next websites on our list that will pay you at least $10 to do a survey is Tester Work, and they pay via PayPal. You will get paid to identify bugs and glitches on websites and different apps. Another fun way to earn, and you do not need to be technically competent to identify bugs or glitches. You will earn via PayPal, and you can target 100 tests in a month, which, if you break that down per day, you'll be doing about 3 per day to make your $1,000. Now, this next one I'm definitely going to butcher the name. It's Callos or Callos if we say it fast. Anyway, I'm going to pop it up here on screen, but on this website, you get paid for 30-minute tests where you can record your feedback out loud. Again, so you're going to need a good microphone, but you can use your headset with your phone. Based on my experience, they pay via PayPal and at $10 per survey. If you're able to do 50 hours in a month, you can make at least $1,000. The next one on the list is Pinecone Research. Pinecone Research specializes in product testing surveys before products hit the market. You'll have an opportunity to give your input, which can be particularly interesting if you like getting a first look at upcoming releases. The payment method is through PayPal. You can also get paid via check or with the use of gift cards. And if you have a goal to complete 100 surveys in a month, the surveys on average typically take about 30 minutes. Again, 50 hours should get you there with continuous traffic and you visiting the platform on a regular basis to accumulate those 50 hours of time completing surveys. And I could not do a video about surveys without talking about my favorite platform to earn while doing surveys or completing tasks, and it is Respondent. And there are actually a few surveys on Respondent that will pay you $10 because the vast majority will pay you $50, $100, or even $700 depending on your profile, what you qualify for, and the surveys that are available. Respondent is a treasure trove of high-paying surveys ranging from customer to industry-based research. And depending on your expertise and your profession, again, when you complete the profile, the algorithm or the website will be aware of your skills, your profession, your expertise, and your capabilities. But you are able to qualify for specialized projects based on that can pay you much more than the usual consumer-focused surveys that are out there. The payment method for Respondent is PayPal. And to earn $1,000 in a month, with $10 per survey as an example, and the surveys taking on average about 30 minutes, you'll need to commit about 12.5 hours per week. That's it. If you're hearing about any of these websites for the first time, please go ahead and like the video. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on Profitability Plus today, and we look forward to sharing more opportunities and insights with you in the future. Until next time, keep exploring new horizons.